Unraveling Slang. The meaning of I'm spent. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where learning English is fun and practical. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase that you might hear in everyday conversations. I'm spent. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it like a native speaker. So, let's dive in. The phrase, I'm spent, is an idiomatic expression in English. It is derived from the literal concept of spending money, but instead of money, you're talking about spending another valuable resource, your energy. When someone says they are spent, they mean they are utterly exhausted or have no energy left to continue their current activity or to engage in anything else. The word, spent, comes from the past tense of the verb, spend, which means to use up or to exhaust resources. Originally related to finance, the term evolved to describe physical or emotional exhaustion as well. This usage taps into the metaphorical idea that humans have an energy budget that can be depleted just like money can. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase can be used in context. After a long day of work, you might collapse onto the couch and sigh, I'm spent. It's your way of saying you're too tired for anything else. Picture finishing a marathon. Crossing the finish line, you could say, I'm spent, to express that you have used all your energy and can't run another step. It can also be used metaphorically for emotional exhaustion. After a day full of difficult meetings, one might say, I'm spent, implying that they are mentally drained. While it's a handy phrase, it's also important to know when not to use it. I'm spent is informal and best used in casual situations. It's not appropriate for formal writing or in a formal speech unless you're quoting someone or making a point about the phrase itself. That's a wrap on the meaning and usage of I'm spent. I hope you now feel confident to use this phrase in your day-to-day English conversations. Remember, language learning is all about understanding the nuances of phrases just like this one. Thanks for watching, and if you feel like this video spent your attention in a good way, give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more engaging English lessons. Until next time, keep practicing and take care.